I'm Jessie. Today we'll make ice cream pancakes. 오늘 우리 아이스크림 팬케이크를 만들 거야. Before we start, what should we do? 우리 시작 전에 뭐 해야 되지?
Wash your hands.
Right. 우리 손을 씻어야 돼. Did you wash your hands?
Yes.
손 다 씻었어? Okay. So I'm gonna let you know what we need. 이제 뭐가 필요한지 알려줄게. We need
Choco pan.
chocolate pan.
Egg.
So how many eggs do you need? 몇 개 필요한데?
1.
Yes, 1 egg. Strawberries.
Butter.
Butter.
And ice cream.
Ice cream. It is in the refrigerator. 냉장고에 있어. We're gonna use it later. 이따가 쓸 거야. And we need 200 milliliter milk. 200ml 우유. And 250 gram or proposed flour. 이렇게 한 번에 다 팬케이크를 위한 이 믹스를 쓰면 되는 거야. For the first step, what should they do? 뭐 해야 되지?
Crack the egg.
Right, crack the egg. We need a big bowl like this. 이렇게 큰 그릇이 필요해. Can you crack it?
Yes.
Okay, so try. May I help you?
Yeah.
도와줄게. Okay. It's a little bit hard. 좀 어렵긴 해. Crack. What's the next step, Rebecca? Rebecca, what's the next step?
Milk.
Milk. So, pour the milk. 다음에는 이 우유를 붓는 거야. Pour. Wow, good job. And we have to mix it with this whisk. What is it?
Whisk.
Whisk. Mix it. Okay. Good. And what should it do next? What should it do? Yeah, pour the flour. 이거를 자, pour 할 거야. Pour. Okay, so mix it. Please mix it until they are all combined. 다 이렇게 섞일 때까지 믹스 해주는 거야. Mix. Good job. Okay, so now let's turn it on. Spread it around in the pan. Spread. Spread. Very good. So please scoop the batter. Scoop. Let's make 2 pancakes. 우리 팬케이크 2개 만들 거야. One is for Rebecca and the other is for me. 하나는 레베카 거고 하나는 선생님 거야. 자, 이렇게. And cook until the pancake starts to bubble. 자, 이게 팬케이크를 보면은 please look at the top. 그 위쪽을 보면은 막 bubbles to be popped. 약간 이렇게 터지는 듯한 그런 버블이 보일 거야. Then flip it over. 이제 그러면은 뒤집는 거야. So let's watch. 자, 보자. Rebecca, can you see the bubbles on top?
Yes.
Yes. So do you think it's the time to flip it over?
No.
No, not yet. 아직은 뒤집으면 안 될 것 같아. Please check if there are bubbles popped. 자, 위에 이렇게 버블 이런 거품이 이렇게 터진 것 같은 게 많이 보이잖아? 그때가 바로 flip it over, 이렇게 flip away 할 그런 순서야. 그런 차례가 되는 거야. What smell is it? It smells yummy pancakes. Right. Now, you can use the spatula. Okay? What is it? Spatula. Okay. So please flip away. 이제 뒤집어봐. May I help you? Okay. Flip away and flip away. Away. Good job. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Okay, cook the other side. 다른 쪽, 반대쪽도 익혀줘야 돼. Is it done? Not yet? 된 것 같아. Alright. So I'm gonna okay, turn it off. 이거 끄고 and then give you this. And what's the next step, Rebecca?
Spread, spread, spread,
Spread ice cream. Right. So can you get the ice cream?
Yes.
Thank you. Scoop the ice cream. Wow. Okay. And spread the ice cream. All right. Can you give me? Thank you. And scoop and spread the ice cream. Woohoo! And what's the next step?
Put the strawberries.
Yes, put your strawberry. Okay. And we're gonna use the chocolate pan. This is the last step. 자, 마지막 단계야. This is mine. Okay. So what do you wanna draw? 뭐 그리고 싶어?
Heart.
Heart. Okay. I'm gonna draw a star. 나는 star. 별 그릴 거야. 별. 따라. 와, it looks yummy. 너무 맛있어 보인다, 내 거. 와. So look at this. This is for me. Can you show us? Whoa, great. Okay, so enjoy it.
Goodbye.